In this quick demo, I'm going to showcase the Zscaler AI security console focused on AI apps that we are red teaming. So when we log into the Zscaler AI security console, we get a dashboard view. We can go to AI infrastructure, and we have a couple of places we can actually view our AI apps. The first place could be in AI assets. The second, we can actually navigate directly to the red teaming. If I click on AI assets, I've got my models, MCP servers, MCP traffic agents I've discovered. If I click on apps, this will give me insight into the specific AI apps that I have. I've got one here, for example, a travel demo app. I'm going to click on that. Now, this will give me insight into the app itself. So, this particular one, you can see that I connect to it via RESTful API. We can see a health score for the app. We can see when we first connected to the app, when it was last tested, and what the health of that particular app is. We get insight into red teaming that we've done, if we've done any prompt hardening on that app, and if we've created any policies for AI guard from that as well. I can see that we've done some simulated attacks, how many were successful, the different categories that we've done the testing over. I can scroll down to get summarized views of the different categories. For example, for security, we've done some web injection attacks, data exfil, context leakage, and cross-site scripting. It gives you a summary of which tests passed, how many failed, for example, for each of the categories. And we can also go across the different categories here, like safety, for example, to see, okay, I've done some bias tests, profanity, and if I've done tests in any other categories, they'll show up there as well. We also get insight into the different test runs that we've done. Right now, you can see there's progress because I'm currently running a test run. You can see test runs that were previously done here from a previous date. You can basically click on that test run. It gives you a summarized view of the particular test run. You can scroll down to see exactly which probes were executed. So here we just did a security probe, and we just did context leakage and web injection attacks, and we have the number of passed tests, number of failed. We can even go into granular detail to understand that particular test category, the types of different testing that was done. We could scroll down and see the individual tests that were done. And if we want to go view a failed test, for example, we could actually click on anywhere along this line here, and that will give us insight into the test, as part of that conversation when we do the multi-turn prompt testing, exactly where in the conversation there was an issue here in conversation two, with an explanation of that as well. So making it very simple to understand exactly the overall test results and giving us the ability to dive down into the specific details of that particular AI asset.